Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to system.io. First, log into your system.io account. Once you're inside, click on your profile in the top right corner. Then, go to Settings. On the left panel, click on Custom Domains. Here, click Add Domain at the top left. Enter your Namecheap domain and hit Save. Next, you'll need to add the DNS records. So, open your Namecheap account. On the upper ribbon, click Account, then go to your dashboard. From the left panel, select Domain List. Find the domain you just added, click on the drop-down beside it, and select Manage. Once inside, go to the Advanced DNS tab. Here, delete the old records first so you can add new ones. Now, add your first record. For the type, select CNAME. Go back to system.io, copy the value again, then paste into Namecheap. Click the check icon beside it to save. Next, add another CNAME record. This time, go back to system.io and copy the host that appears before your domain. Paste it into the host field in Namecheap. Then, return to system.io, copy the value provided, and paste it into the value field in Namecheap. Again, click the check icon to save. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now connected to system.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.